Danny's working awfully hard. We don't know if she's producing anything though.
No, we don't.
Been on Grandpa's lap for a while. What are you doing, Danny Lou? Are you working hard? Come on, give us some more of those cute squeaks.
Cute bubbles.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's hard to get out, eh, Danny? And she's got the hiccups, poor thing. You got the hiccups, Curly? Where's the dignity, eh? Gotta poop on camera. Well, maybe we can check her diaper. Shall we check you out?